Brazil top court judge has ordered that X should be suspended in Brazil because of an ongoing argument between Elon Musk and himself. So it has gotten to the notice of people that most moderators are not moderating their social media handles well. So according to them, and let me read the story, Musk has been engaged in a month-long argument with Supreme Court Judge Alexandra over X moderation policies earlier this year. So yes, the reason why this top judge or this prominent judge wants X banned in Brazil is because he believes that Elon Musk is not moderating the site well. And in certain things needs to be put in place or needs to be kept in place so that the moderation of X will be better. That is why he's asking that X should be banned in Brazil for some time. Do remember to stay and stick to this particular tech channel because I'll be bringing you more news in the world of tech. Also remember to like, comment, and subscribe.